The following video will guide you through the 4 basic steps to drafting a notice of early case conference. This is when attorneys from both sides meet. The early case conference is also known as a meet and confer. The conference must be held after the request for exemption is granted, usually 14 days after the request is granted. Plaintiff's attorney usually designates the date and time of the conference, and it is usually done via telephone. And with that, let's get started with step number 1. You will first send an email to opposing counsel or defense counsel along with a few dates of your attorney's availability and ask if any of those dates work for them, and then calendar the date agreed upon. You will then draft a notice of early case conference. This notifies all the parties of the date and time scheduled for the early case conference. So fill in the caption, case number, department number, and this is a very short form. Here you will fill in the day of the month, the year, and the time the conference will be held. This is basic language for this very short notice. Date it, add attorney's signature, and you will also have a certificate of service. And date the certificate of service, add the attorney's name, firm that you're serving, as well as your name on this employee signature line, and then serve it. That is basically it for this early case conference. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any questions.